Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Burger Zinger, easy method. Start by marinating chicken in spicy buttermilk, then pound thin for fast, even cooking. Mix flour with paprika, garlic powder, cayenne, and salt for bold coating. Heat oil to medium-high and fry until golden and cooked through. Toast buns, spread spicy mayo, add lettuce and pickles, assemble the burger, and serve hot with fries or a light salad. Gather all ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and fast. Use thin chicken breasts for even, quick cooking and better crunch. Choose a buttermilk or yogurt brine to tenderize and add tang. Combine flour with paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, salt, and black pepper for the coating. Prepare spicy mayo by mixing mayo with hot sauce and a pinch of sugar. Keep toppings ready for assembly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is leak-proof, insulated, and fits cup holders for easy hydration on the go. I use it while prepping and it keeps drinks cold all day, making kitchen work more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and maintain that temperature for even frying. Dredge marinated chicken in seasoned flour and press coating firmly. Fry for about 4 to 5 minutes until golden and internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F. Drain on a rack to keep crust crisp and rest for a minute. Toast buns and prepare mayo and toppings while chicken rests. Assemble quickly so the burger stays hot and crunchy. Enjoy with a cold drink and simple sides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.